First thing is that you cannot delete your Instagram account using Instagram application. You can delete your Instagram account using any browser. This time I'm using Chrome. There are two important things you need to make sure is that first you remember your passwords, and second is that you are already logged in on the browser. Then you can delete your Instagram account. After entering password, your account is set for deletion. If you don't log in within 30 days, it will be deleted permanently.